Good afternoon. So in this video lecture, we are going to discuss about exploring the complex world of biomolecules, biomolecule structures, functions and the applications of biomolecules. So the biomolecules is nothing but it is the organic molecules that produced by the living organisms. The main essential for of the biomolecules are the it is very essential for structure and the function of the cell, and also it is involved in the various biological processes. So in the biomolecules are the building blocks of life, that including the proteins, nucleic acids, carbohydrates and the lipids. These are the major biomolecules. So understanding their structure and function is crucial for advancement in the biotechnology and the medicine. So in this presentation, we'll explore their complexities and the real world applications of these type of biomolecules. Then type of biomolecules can be classified into the four main types: proteins, nucleic acids, carbohydrates and the lipids. Each type plays a unique role in the biological systems that contributing the cell structures, energy storage and the genetic information transfer. It involved in the various biological processes in the living organisms. So first we will explain about the proteins and protein structures. So proteins are composed of the amino acids linked by a peptide bonds. So their three-dimensional structure is crucial for their function. This is the representation of the protein structure. It is composed of the amino acids. So it is very essential for determines the how they interact with the other molecules in the biological processes. So function of proteins serves the various functions such as enzymes productions, hormones production and the structural components, and also one main function of the protein is to transfer the stability of the hemoglobin transfer. So their diverse roles are essential for metabolism, cell signaling and the maintaining the homeostasis within the organism. These metabolisms, homeostasis are the important characteristics of living organism. We already discussed in the first video lecture series. The nucleic acids is primarily it's made of DNA and RNA. It's composed of DNA and RNA are the vital for storing and transmitting the genetic information. So DNA is nothing but we already know it is the deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA is the ribonucleic acids. So their unique sequences dictate the synthesis of proteins, which ultimately influence on the organism's traits. And carbohydrate, it is the one of the biomolecules. So the carbohydrates are organic compounds that made up of sugars and starch. It's nothing but it is the glucose C6H12O6. They can be classified as monosaccharides and disaccharides and the polysaccharides, playing a key role in energy storage and the cellular structures. So in the it is nothing but it is the chemical composed of carbon and hydrogen and oxygen, but typically it is a mixture of carbon and hydrogen in the atom ratio of 2:1. The examples of carbohydrates are the glucose. Lipids and their functions. So lipids are the hydrophobic molecules that including the fats, cholesterols and phospholipids and steroids. So the lipids are the essential for forming the cell membranes and storing the energy, and also it is serving as signaling the molecules within the body. This is the main function of the lipids. So to serve as a signaling molecules within the body. So biomolecule applications in the medicines are crucial in the medical research and drug development, that understanding their functions can lead to advancement in targeted therapies and vaccines and the diagnostic tools to improving the patient outcomes. Biomolecules application area in the biotechnology field. So biomolecules are harnessed for genetic engineering, synthetic biology and the biomanufacturing. These applications can enhance the agriculture productivity and promote the sustainable practices. So challenges in the biomolecule research. The research on biomolecules faces the challenges such as complexity and stability and the ethics. Addressing these issues is vital for the responsible advancement of biomedical and the biotechnological fields. The future direction of biomolecules, the research holds the promise for personalized medicines, gene therapy and the sustainable bioprocesses. The continued exploration of their properties will unlock the new potential in the healthcare and the environmental sciences. In conclusions, the biomolecules are integral to life with diverse structures and the functions. Their applications in the medicine and biotechnology are the transformative and highlighting the need for ongoing research and address challenges how the new frontiers. The vitamins and minerals are the other type of biomolecules that is very much needed for living organisms growth and development. So thank you.